My name is Lydia Alazmi and I am the Chief Operating Officer at Taqa Snacks. Taqa Snacks is a factory that produces vegan, natural and healthy snacks. We source all our raw materials from premium suppliers, and our strength today is that we don't use any additives, chemicals or preservatives in the factory. We are based in Lebanon and we export all over the world.
Hi, my name is Soumaya. I'm the founder of Taqa Snacks. And where does Taqa Snacks come from? It actually comes from my grandmother. So when I first came back to Lebanon, I wanted to produce an energy bar. And she didn't understand what I was trying to do. I told her that I'm trying to do a bar that gives energy. So she told me, like Taqa. And I said, she's like Loh Taqa or Daf Taqa. Like Taqa Bar, and that's how the name of the business came about.
We were introduced to Odoo by our business partner based in Dubai. They recommended Odoo as a comprehensive solution that can meet all our specific needs. Odoo was implemented by our partner here in Lebanon by Azkatech. Prior to implementing Odoo, we faced many challenges in integrating the quality checks and points, and the data entry was very time-consuming. Plus, the reports, our monthly and quarterly reports, were done manually by me externally on the Excel sheets. Because of these challenges, I was calculating the recipes manually, and we couldn't integrate the carbon footprint coefficient on all our packs. The video feature on the application really helped us to communicate better and faster. Since we mass order, we use the internal transfer on Odoo to better manage our inventory. Since the preventive maintenance was done manually, now on Odoo, the maintenance application really helped to scheduling the sessions. Implementing Odoo had a positive impact on the business since these applications have streamlined all our processes. Compared to other methods, Odoo helped us to save 70% more of our time.
I really want to emphasize that Odoo has been a system that has allowed me to assess my business more properly, more effectively, and more efficiently. It has also allowed me to be more mobile as a business owner, making decisions from abroad wherever I travel in order to process, in order to see my lead times, manufacturing, to follow my manufacturing and where we are at. So it really has allowed me to just work more independently from the local operation.
If I would describe Odoo in one word, it would be flexible.